What up, y'all? I am here with my first IGT. I just want to talk to y'all really quickly about my experience with my braider. Y'all can see I'm back in braids. And yeah, I just want to share the knowledge, share the wealth, and let y'all know how awesome she is. So my braider is Shakera Braids. Her Instagram is, I said braids like that's her last name. Her Instagram is Shakera Braids ATL. That's where you can find her, check her out, check out her work, all that good stuff. But yeah, I found her. How did I find her? Let's see. I know how I found her. So I was looking for somebody to do my braids. And one thing about me, like, I don't let just anybody like touch my hair, play in my hair, none of that stuff. Like, nah. So I was looking for a braider on Instagram. I asked the people, and people mentioned braiders, and I literally checked out every single one. And I got to her page, and like, she was just so professional. Like, the way she had everything set up, from like booking appointments to like explaining exactly what service you get to how your braids would look, like everything was just so professional. And like I'm automatically drawn to people that are professional. So the booking process was super easy with her. At the time, like, her website was set up to where you could go on there and each service is like detailed and described to a T. Like, you know exactly what you're gonna get. Like, there's no way that you can go in there and she gives you something other than what you wanted. Like, that's not gonna happen. Like, because you're gonna select exactly what you want, how you want your braids to look, the size of your braids, like all that good stuff before you make an appointment. So the booking process was really easy. Sorry I'm fixing my braids so much, like it's just such a habit. The booking process was extremely easy. All you have to do is go in there, select your service. A calendar will pop up that has the days and times that she is available. Select the day and time you want, and then boom, your appointments. I do think she has like some little add-ons on her site. Like, there's like a speed fee that you can choose, like if you want 2 braiders, that way it doesn't take her as long to do your braids. There's like the ombre option if you want your braids to be ombre. This is like her 3rd time doing my braids. I think every time that she has done my braids, she has always been on time, always ready for you. I think another cute thing, they have like a little sign set up, and what she does with the sign is it'll say like, "Hey queen," and then the second line will say like her client's name or whatever. So like, let's say me, like, "Hey queen Adriana." It has like your name on there. Like, that's just kind of like a personalized experience to me. Like, I don't want to come in and feel like I'm just your client. Like, you don't really care anything about doing my hair. You're just there to make a quick dollar and then get out. Like, I don't like that. Like, I want to feel like, you know, like we friends. Like, I know we ain't necessarily friends, but that's how I want to feel, you know? And that's how she makes you feel. Like, I remember my first appointment with her, like, it was like we instantly clicked. Like, and me, I'm a Capricorn, so I don't instantly click with a lot of people. Like, sometimes it takes me a while to warm up to people, but with her, it was just like, we just clicked like that. And like, I don't know. A few other things that I really appreciate about her is her parts are so precise. Like, she's very neat with her parts. She takes her time. She wants to make sure they look good. Like, y'all can see, like, look how straight that part is. Bomb. She provides braiding hair, so you don't even have to worry about going out to get your braiding hair. You just let her know the color of your hair, and then she got you. That was another thing. Like, when it came to finding somebody to do my braids, I was like, I don't want to be out here with no edges afterwards. And her method is very low tension. Like, when you take your braids out, you will still have edges. I promise you. Like, she ain't up here like grabbing your edges to where you can't even see your edges no more. Like, no. Like, trust me, sis got you, I promise. And then I think, like, just to kind of top it off, like, her customer service is so A1. Like, literally, like, she's so professional. And I know I already said this, but I can't stress that enough. Like, her customer service is bomb. Like, she has like a little TV, which is cool too, so you can watch Netflix, or she has like a Fire Stick where you can watch movies. You know, that way you're not just sitting there bored trying to find something to do for 5 or 6 hours, however it longs for you to get out of your appointment. Like, bomb. So with that being said, make sure you go check her out. Her Instagram is Shakera Braids ATL. Her website is shakerabraids.com. And then check out her products too. She has a few products in her Queen Coils collection, which you can find on her site, on her Instagram. I promise y'all, like, she will not disappoint. Let her know I sent you if you go check her out.